Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update about Sandbox Sand Ticker. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below and I'll definitely analyze that for you. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart first. And as you guys can see, we were watching this minor head and shoulder pattern here on the Sandbox, and that head and shoulder pattern trend line was broken to the downside, and today we also saw a sharp sell-off in this coin because of the Bitcoin. Let's analyze a little bit of Bitcoin here so we get a perspective here. And Bitcoin also sold pretty hard today, and right now it is recovering from this 40k region at around 39k, and I was updating in my Telegram community about this, that this 30k is very important. As you can see, this is the bottom of the box at around 39k, and after touching this bottom of the box and this level, price is kind of going up from here. So it is making a nice bullish candles here on the 1-hour time frame. So sentiments on the Bitcoin are shifting towards the upside, so let's having that in mind and analyze the Sandbox here, because Bitcoin generally drives the sentiment of the market and other cryptos. So we find a support on the Bitcoin, then we'll also have a support on this Sandbox as well. So the price prediction for this head and shoulder pattern was at around $4 level, and if I see that, then this candle went as low as $4.20 level. So the price prediction for this head and shoulder pattern is almost achieved right here, and we are right now at the buying box. But I wouldn't initiate a new buying here because we are still in the downtrend. Let me draw it for you like this. We are still making a lower lows and lower highs on the 4-hour chart. So buying here would be a risky one because price can always slip through this and make a new lows. So congratulations to those of you who took this short position based on my analysis. If you did that, you would be having a nice 28% gains so far. If you did the 2x leverage, that would be 60%, 3x 90% gains, and so on. So if you want to trade on the short side or on the long side of the market, you can do that on the BYBIT exchange, where you can also claim up to $4,500 bonuses if you sign up through my link. So sign up through my link. You can find the link in the pinned comment and the description, and after signing up through my link, deposit money there and start to trade and claim your $4,500 bonus. Alright, right now I am waiting for some sort of bullish indication here at this box, but I'm not getting it right now. Maybe in few hours we might get some sort of bullish price action here. But if you guys are short, then it is wise to cover some of your short position here because of this support and resistance area here. As you can see, this is a nice support area as well, and this will also act as a support here. So cover some of your shorts here and wait for some sort of bullish price action around this box, and I'll definitely try to update you if I see any bullish pattern forming here. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you won't be notified when I update the new video about the Sandbox. Alright, also please smash up the like button if you like this content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.